Tapos ito na ako kapag ako lang sinang Ilay Bulls eh. Makita ko lang kayo sa pataya. Okay, so yun na nga yung plano natin. Magsasayaw tayo. Hello! Cheerleading. O, bakit ako nasa taas? Gusto hatin niyo na ako.
Ikaw yung iaangat.
Magsasayaw ko. Ako yung nakahanap ko. Kasi tapos na sila JJ. Oo nga, kanina pa yung tapos actually.
Hala.
Sana sinabi mo.
Eh, sali ka na.
O game meron ng plan.
Sasayaw na.
O dali, ano sasayaw? O, hanap na kayo ng sayaw. Practice eh, wala pa naman si Rod.
Bago makarena.
Ano ba yung mga... Siyempre, wag ako nasahan sa mga bago, diba?
O ano na naman ginagawa mo, Mark?
Wala talaga. Madumi yung contact lens ko.
Ay.
Bilis natin, mamaya maabutan.
O ano naman plan nyo, guys? Anong naisip nyo? Si Jai sasayaw. Yay!
Ayun, no?
Ayun na ba? Start na ba yun?
Ikaw pala.
Ayan. Wow.
Single. Single.
Sige, si Faith ang mag-dance.
Oo, tawa.
Bakit ako? Walang highlight. Sana itog to.
Ayan na.
Ano ba yun? Ano ba yan?
Hindi siya Siyempre, sweet lang yun.
Ganun-ganun na pa. Part-part lang.
Pwede sa sundang ka na kasi.
Ang totoo, party ba to? Black light?
Hindi ko lang. Ano ba? Pagkakangit. Message na lang tayo.
Mag-message na lang. Wala man lang sayaw.
Hindi na yung sayaw. Hindi ko pa makita.
Ano no, may message?
So, wait, ano? Ay, nananawagan po kami.
Nananawagan po
kami. Utang sana kami sa'yo. Alam ko marami kang pera.
Utang kami, Ann. Sige, gigit natin si Ann. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We love you.
Wait lang po.
Happy birthday, Anla.
Pwede naman kumanta.
Happy birthday, Ann.
Yung mahaba. Sige, push yun.
Sige, taga lang ah. Go.
Happy birthday,
May premyo.
Happy birthday,
Whenever you're ready.
Hi, Ann. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and hope you enjoy your day today. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Teka lang. Ayusin mo muna yung sarili mo. Game.
Hi, Ann. Good morning. Happy birthday. I hope for many blessings to come to you and your family. More blessings to your career as well. Keep up the good work. I hope you have a good one. Bye.
What am I gonna say?
Happy birthday.
It's rolling. You're wasting film. Mel ambushed me to say happy birthday to you. So I'm saying happy birthday to you, Ann, and hi to your lovely husband. And I want to just enjoy life and celebrate it every moment.
Ready?
Dito, sandali lang ha. Sandali lang po, direct. Direct, wait lang po. Yung box ko kasi kulang ng isa.
Hindi nabibilang mo, tatlo yung nandito eh.
Kailangan tatlo yan.
Oo. Dalawa lang. Game.
Ay, extra si...
Kailangan pitit ka dyan.
Go?
Game.
Sabihin mo. Sorry, Aaron. Happy birthday, Ann. Hope you all the best. Good health and sana magka-brother or sister na si Yuna, happy birthday!
Yay! Ito na nasa likod mo. Ang lakas maka-add. Game. Try natin yung dub. Game.
Sabayan mo sa kanya.
Game.
Kasi bubuka lang yun.
Oo. Bubukan lang yung bibig mo eh.
Si Georgie yung magsasalita.
Oo!
Sabayan mo lang siya.
Hindi ko kaya nga wala. Basta mas maganda yung nakadog.
Oo.
May God bless you abundantly and may you have a fabulous
Baka isulat mo. Alam mo yan.
Sige, ulit. May God
Bless you abundantly.
bless you
abundantly.
abundantly. And
May you have a fabulous year.
Fabulous year ahead.
fabulous year ahead. Patapos ng year.
Day ahead.
Malay mo, New Year na eh.
Day ahead. Gabi yan gagawin.
Night ahead.
Okay.
Game.
Tigil na dito, te.
Wala na.
Hi, Anne. Happy birthday.
Game.
Oo!
Game.
Wait lang.
Game.
Bubuka mo na yung bibig mo,
Dapat nakaharap ka kay Georgie ng konti para nakikita niya yung buka ng bibig mo.
Ano ba ka na, te? Wait na.
Tapos susundan niya.
Sa lab na una yung buka ng bunganga.
Oo, sige. Oo nga naman kasi.
Bubuka mo na eh.
Hindi. Ang
Ganyan ka na lang,
natin
be.
dito, Korea.
Yan, ganyan. Ganyan.
Hi, Anne. Happy birthday.
My God bless you.
Hindi niya binubuka yung buka. Dapat ganito.
Si Georgie na lang, sundan mo siya.
Oo, sundan mo yung sasabihin niya. Game.
Ready? Go.
Hi, Anne. Happy birthday. May God bless you abundantly and you may have a fabulous day ahead.
Very good kayo.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true. So light a candle on your cake for every smile you've helped create, for every heart and every soul you've helped to grow a little more. A few more pounds, a little more gray. Don't count the years, just count the way. It takes a little time to go from water into wine. Don't ever lose the wonder of that child within your eyes. such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, we feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday.
Ang aming Christmas. Ay. Hi, Ann. Happy birthday. Ano ba po masasabi ko? Wala pang 8, so okay lang naman Tagalog, no? I hope you're happy today because it's your birthday. Wala akong masabi. Good health and long life. Love you.
And happy birthday. You've been a very great mentor to me and to the team. I wish you all the best. Good health to you and your family. More blessings to come. You deserve it. Thank you so much for everything. I love you.
Na-pressure ako. Si Mel kasi nag-English at saka wala akong makeup. So, okay lang yan, Ann. Happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat ng tinuro mo sa akin. Hindi na ako mag-i-English kasi pagod na ako. Tapos, inom tayo. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Hi, Ann. I just want to greet you a very happy birthday. So, sabi mo ikaw si gorgeous. So, stay gorgeous as you are. May you have many more birthdays to come. Tapos, kain na tayo.
Hi, Ann. Happy birthday po. Thank you for all the support and for all the mentoring that you gave to me and to Faith. It's been a wonderful journey here in the training team. Thank you for, hiring me. And thank you for being part of your team for quite some time. Enjoy your birthday, and I hope you have a wonderful day and you have a wonderful lifetime full of happiness with your family and with your lovely kid or kids. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful birthday.
Happy birthday. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano sabihin ko. Ang sumasakit yung ulo ko ngayon. Pero, salamat sa every time na i-coach mo ko or magkukwentuhan tayo. Napapaisip ako dun sa mga sinasabi mo sa mga tinuturo mo. Na-appreciate yun. Sobra. I wish you all the happiness that your heart desires and more success in your career.
Happy birthday! I'm not really good at this, but I just wanna tell you that you inspire me. I know we had a really rocky road. We had a really rough start, but your leadership really helped me a lot, and in terms of inspiring people, sharing my thoughts. There's a lot of things that I wanna thank you for, but all I wanna say is that you're really a true and a great leader. Happy birthday, and I wish the best for you. Always, you know that. Happy birthday!
Go. Happy birthday, Ann. Continue doing what you are. You look so happy and just be awesome. And good luck to Yuna and Mao. And we wishing you all the best on your birthday. Happy birthday!
Secret daw to. Kaya medyo mahina yung boses ko. Kasi nandun ka na. Pero, it's your day!
this cliche man, pero yun talaga yung wish ko for you. Yan, huwag ka masyado mapaka-stress, okay? If you need help, lapit lang. Yun, enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Anne! On behalf of, in behalf of, at behalf of, to, with, happy birthday to you!
Hi! Happy birthday to me! Kanina ba? Hindi ba ako yung birthday? Happy birthday, Ann! NJJ!
Alam mo naman role ko eh.
Ayan,
Hindi ka lang.
Happy birthday!
Ay, ganun tayo.
Happy birthday ng Momo version. Happy birthday to you!
Happy
Are you filming now?
We will just edit it.
Okay. Happy birthday, and we love you.
Happy birthday! Ako, happy birthday.
Hi, babe. Happy birthday. I'm so sorry I can't be there. I just wanted to tell you that you and Yuna are the best things that ever happened to me. You're the most caring, loving, genuine, kind-hearted, and the most beautiful person I've met. And I'm so happy and blessed that I have you now and for the rest of my life. Remember that I will love you always, always, forever, forever. Happy birthday. I love you.
Yun na, harap dito. Dali. Dali, yun na. Ay. Okay na. Yun na. Dali, happy birthday. Yun na.
Happy birthday, Mami.
Yun na, dali, ito. Yeah, look.
Yes.
Dali, happy birthday. Dali, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mami. I love you. Ay.
Dali, isa lang. Dali, isang happy birthday lang. Dali, isa lang.
Ay.
Just say happy birthday.
What?
Dali, just say happy birthday, Mami.